If you've been waiting for Nokia to finally drop that budget-friendly, beast mode smartphone, then stop scrolling. Seriously, hit that like button right now because today's video is for you. We're not talking about another mid-range flop. We're talking about a phone that's going to blow your mind and maybe, just maybe, make those other flagship companies start sweating. I'm talking about a 200 megapixel camera that's basically a DSLR in your pocket, and a battery so massive, you'll forget what a charger looks like. We are, of course, talking about the legendary Nokia Turbo Pro 5G. In this video, we're diving deep, full specs, the price shock, and the real launch date. Let's get into it. Features of the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G. Display. First up, let's talk about what you'll be staring at all day. The Nokia Turbo Pro 5G is coming at us with a stunning 6.8-inch Super AMOLED display. And no, it's not just QHD+. We're getting a jaw-dropping 2K resolution. That is absolutely insane clarity. But look, that's just the start. This display is smoother than silk with a 120Hz refresh rate. Scrolling, gaming, watching content, it's all going to feel buttery smooth. And for protection, we're covered with Gorilla Glass armor too. Plus, for all you clumsy kings and queens out there, it has an IP68 rating. The camera beast. Alright, forget the screen, because this is the feature that's going to break the internet. The camera setup. Nokia hasn't just upgraded the camera, they put a nuclear reactor in it. We're looking at a triple lens system headlined by a mind-melting 200 megapixel primary sensor. Seriously, 200 megapixels. This is DSLR level detail, folks. But they didn't stop there. You also get a dedicated 50 megapixel telephoto sensor, and an 8 megapixel ultrawide lens. And for the selfie game enthusiasts, a massive 50 megapixel front camera. Your self-portraits are about to look stunning. Performance. Now, for the engine. How does it run all this tech? Here's where Nokia throws down the gauntlet to everyone. Rumor has it, the Turbo 5G will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite. This is the most powerful mobile processors on the planet. We're talking lightning-fast speeds, next-level gaming, and zero lag. And of course, it'll be rocking the latest and greatest Android 16 out of the box. Battery backup. And finally, the feature that truly makes this a monster. The battery. Get ready to say goodbye to that annoying little low battery notification. This phone packs a absolutely massive 7500 mAh battery. 7000. This is 2-day battery life territory for most people. And when you do need to charge it, no problem. It supports a blistering fast 100-watt fast charging via the Type-C port. We're talking minutes to get a substantial charge. The price and launch date. Okay, so the big question, how much is this going to cost? Well, leaks suggest the price could start around €650. That is an absolute steal for these features. If Nokia hits that price point, this phone is going to be an instant classic. Now for the launch date, this is the one part that hurts a little. The leaks and rumors point to a release sometime next year. So, we have a little while to wait to get our hands on this beautiful device.